Hello, everyone. Welcome to our fun learning podcast. I'm Miss Stoner, and today we're going on a magical adventure to learn all about vowels. Are you ready? Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the basics. What is a vowel? In the English language, vowels are special letters that help us make all kinds of sounds. There are 5 vowels, and they are A, E, I, O, and U. Can you say them with me? A, E, I, O, U. Great job! Each of these vowels have their very own special sound. Each vowel has 2 sounds, a long sound and a short sound. Today, we are only going to talk about the short sounds. Now, let's get to know each vowel a little better. First up is A. A sounds like ah in the word cat. Let's say cat together. K, a, t, cat. See how the vowel A makes the ah sound? Next, we have E. E makes the sound eh in the word bed. Let's say bed together. B, e, d, bed. Did you hear the E making the eh sound? Now let's talk about I. I says I in the word sit. Let's say sit together. S, I, t, sit. The I makes the I sound. Next up is O. O says ah in the word dog. Let's say dog together. D, ah, g, dog. The O makes the ah sound. Our last vowel is U. U says in the word sun. Let's say sun together. S, n, sun. The U makes the sound. Now that we've learned about each vowel, let's play a fun game. I'm going to say a word, and you will have to guess which vowel is in the word. Ready? Here we go. The first word is hat. At. Which vowel do you hear? That's right. It's A. Let's try another one. The word is pen. P, e, n. Which vowel do you hear? That's right. It's E. Great job! Before we end, let's sing a little vowel song together. It goes like this. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are fun and they help us too. Sing them loud, sing them clear. Vowels are the best, now give a cheer. Great singing, everyone! Thanks for joining me today to learn all about vowels. Remember, vowels are everywhere and they help us make so many fun words. See you next time for more learning adventures.